So here, what we have is we've got a dates, we've got price for the S&P 500, and we've got the volume. And then we've got the total return and the price earnings ratio. What I suggest you do, if you want to do a chart, it's always best to split the data into its own area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a column here and make sure my data is separated, because otherwise Excel will do all sorts of things. So I find it much, much easier when you're creating charts is literally to separate the data out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm then going to insert a chart, and I'm going to do that by, if I do Alt N for insert, and then you can see I can choose recommended charts, but I'd actually like a line chart here. Okay, so I can choose this line chart, and it's going to give me various different options here. You can do a stacked line, which I don't want for this, 100% stacked line, which I don't want, but I kind of want this first one here, which is just 2 line charts. Now, when you do this, if I just zoom in a bit, you can see what happens is, because the volume is so much larger than the price, you can see that actually you can't see the price because it's so small.